Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Web3 hacking and development tips. So today I'm going to solve a new challenge called wallet generator. I think this challenge is about understanding the concept of cryptographic key pairs, learn how blockchain wallets are generated using cryptography randomness, using the relationship between a private key and public key and the wallet, generate disposable blockchain wallet programmatically using Python or JavaScript. Okay, here there is some bunch of questions for knowledge check. I will let you go through these questions. So without any further ado, let me launch this challenge. So here I'm on the virtual environment of the challenge. I'm on the challenge environment. So we have to validate our keys, generated keys, enter the private key and its corresponding public address. If they match, the flag is revealed. Private key, public address. The challenge, the flag appears here once your private key and address are verified to match. Do not use your personal wallet to generate a new key pair using Python or JavaScript. So I already created a virtual environment. Let me open VS Code. I have created a virtual environment. I have activated the virtual environment. So now we need to install a particular library called ETH account. This library is like a standalone library from the web3.py project. It works offline, so this is the it does not require a network connection for generating keys. So let's install this library. Pip install ETH account. Let's give it some time. Okay, and now let's from ETH account import account. And we are going to generate our wallet. Account equal account dot create, and that's it. So just we have now to print the address, let's say address, and which going to take account dot address, and here we are going to print the private key, which is going to take account dot key, another dot hex parenthesis. So okay, so we run this code, Python 3 gen wallet.py. Normally we should have our address and private key printed out on our screen. Okay, that's nice. So here we have an address. Don't use this address as a personal address because it's a compromised address as we have here. Everyone can see the private key. So let's take both of them. Let's take this one first. Let's copy it. Wallet challenge. Let's go back to here. So here private key, here public key. So we paste our public key and we go back here to for the private key. Copy and sorry for that. Here and we copy. So if I check here, a flag would be revealed. So okay, check and reveal the flag. Yeah, the flag is revealed and the challenge is solved. So yes guys, this is all for this video and see you in another video soon.